Welcome back to another informative video from Insurance Funda, your trusted guide on insurance and financial planning. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more insights on securing your financial future. Today, we are excited to introduce LIC's Jeevan Labh Plan 736, a trusted, non-linked, limited payment with profit endowment plan designed to create wealth, ensure security, and provide financial flexibility. Let's break down what makes this plan an ideal choice for your future. First, let's understand what no-linked, limited payment, and with profit mean. No-linked, Jeevan Labh 736 is not connected to the stock market, providing stability and guaranteed benefits without market fluctuations. Limited payment, you pay premiums only for a specific period, but coverage extends far beyond that, giving you financial peace of mind. With profit, over the policy term, your plan accumulates bonuses, adding significant value to your maturity or death benefits. Jeevan Labh 736 offers several flexible options for policy and premium payment terms, so you can align your investment with your life goals. Choose from terms of 16, 21, or 25 years with premium payment periods of 10, 15, and 16 years, respectively. At maturity, Jeevan Labh 736 provides a guaranteed payout that includes the sum assured along with accumulated bonuses. In the unfortunate event of the life assured's passing, the policy provides the sum assured on death along with accumulated bonuses, ensuring lasting financial security for their loved ones. One of the unique features of Jeevan Labh 736 is the settlement option, which allows you to customize how you receive your maturity or death benefit payout. This feature lets the life assured spread their benefit over 5, 10, or 15 years, adapting to their specific financial needs. A 5-year settlement can be ideal for planned expenses, such as a child's education, offering structured, reliable support during their academic years. The 15-year option, on the other hand, is excellent for creating a steady, tax-free income stream, similar to an annuity, making it perfect for retirement planning or long-term financial security. Let's consider an example to understand how Jeevan Labh Plan 736 can benefit you. Meet Mr. Rahul, age 30, who wants to secure his family's financial future and build a retirement fund. He decides to take LIC's Jeevan Labh plan for a 25-year policy term with a 16-year premium payment term. For this policy, Mr. Rahul's monthly premium is 10,198 rupees plus GST. Over the 16 years, he will pay a total premium of 19,62,904 rupees. When the policy matures at Mr. Rahul's age of 55, he receives a substantial maturity benefit. This includes sum assured 25 lakhs rupees, accrued bonus 29.37 lakhs rupees based on a current annual bonus rate of 1,17,500 rupees. Final addition bonus at 11.25 lakhs rupees calculated at 450 rupees per 1,000 rupees sum assured. In total, his maturity benefit adds up to 65,62,500 rupees. Now, let's look at the big picture. Mr. Rahul paid a total premium of 19.62 lakhs rupees for a sum assured of 25 lakhs rupees, which is significantly lower than typical premiums for this coverage. With Jeevan Labh, he not only secures a high insurance cover but also earns substantial returns. By maturity, he receives 65.62 lakhs rupees, a significant appreciation over his total premium. To recap, LIC's Jeevan Labh Plan 736 provides comprehensive protection for Mr. Rahul's family, wealth accumulation over time, significant tax benefits and high returns. This example demonstrates how Jeevan Labh 736 can help you meet long-term financial goals with a limited payment period and guaranteed benefits. Jeevan Labh 736 comes with excellent tax benefits. Premiums you pay qualify for deductions under Section 80C and the maturity benefits are tax-free under Section 10(10)(d), making this plan a tax-efficient investment. Let's explore how Jeevan Labh 736 can help you reach real-life financial goals. Retirement planning. Build a retirement corpus that provides you and your spouse a secure, independent life. Child's education or marriage. Plan for major expenses like higher education or wedding costs without financial stress. Wealth creation. With its limited payment and tax-saving features, Jeevan Labh 736 helps you create wealth over time. With flexible premium payment terms and high bonuses, Jeevan Labh 736 is designed to adapt to your financial goals. Whether you prefer a shorter or longer premium period, this plan ensures you are covered through life stages. Thank you for joining us on Insurance Funda. Catch you in our next video with more insights and updates.